For ages, philosophers have wondered where the human soul is located. Many believed that all of our thoughts, feelings, and emotions reside in our hearts.
Years of scientific research and advancement, however, have put the philosophers' inquiries to rest.
Every aspect of the human mind is generated in the pinkish blob in our heads, the brain. The brain is the control center of the human nervous system. It is responsible for everything from regulating our heartbeat to the vivid dreams we experience in our sleep. It is so complex that even after centuries of research, scientists are only now beginning to understand how it functions. The brain is basically a complex bundle of nerve cells that fills our skull. Who would have ever imagined that this strange organ is responsible for every single physical and mental function of the human body and mind? The largest part of our brain, the cerebrum, takes up 85% of the human brain mass. It is so large that it covers all other parts of the brain, from the front to the back of our skulls. Its large size corresponds to the large role it plays. One of its primary functions is to control all of our voluntary muscle movements. Every intentional muscle movement, from moving our legs to walk to chewing with our mouths, is commanded by the cerebrum. It is also the part of our brain that gives us the ability to think, imagine, and plan ahead. Playing a video game, daydreaming, or scheduling your next day, all of these thought processes occur in the cerebrum. Furthermore, our short and long-term memory also reside in the cerebrum. Without it, we wouldn't be able to remember what we ate for lunch or where we go to school. The cerebellum is much smaller than the cerebrum. In fact, its name means little brain in Latin. It is located near the back of the brain, below the cerebrum. The cerebellum is responsible for our balance and coordination. Seemingly simple activities, like typing on a keyboard, require special direction from this part of the brain. Each time we hit a key, our cerebellum directs certain muscles in our arms and hands to aim at and hit precisely the right spot on the keyboard. Without the cerebellum, we would lose all balance and coordination. Even just standing in place would be nearly impossible. The brainstem, another small portion of the brain, is located beneath the cerebrum and in front of the cerebellum. It is what connects the brain to the spine and all the nerves in our body. Therefore, every command sent from the cerebrum and cerebellum to the rest of the body must go through the brainstem. The brainstem also controls all of our automatic vital functions. That includes the regulation of our heartbeat and breathing. The brainstem carries out all of our vital functions for us, so we do not have to actively think about them. If we somehow lost our brainstem, all our vital functions would come to an immediate halt.